Hey crafty people, in this video we're talking about BPsc, which stands for back post single crochet. Now back post stitches as well as front post stitches, they're textured stitches and you can create various effects with it, such as like a rib effect, because back post pushes a stitch to the back of the work, and so you can create a rib. Or in this case, I'm working alternating stitches or alternating rows of double crochet stitches and single crochet stitches, which creates this ridge in the work. So to make a single crochet, what you do is you insert the hook from the back to the front between your previous stitch and your working stitch, and then to the back between your working stitch and your next stitch. Yarn over, bring that all the way up, and then you have 2 loops on your hook like you would with a regular single crochet. And so you yarn over and pull through 2. And so here we have a double crochet and the ridge from the tops of the double crochets that we're going around. So let's do that again. Through the back to the front between the 2 stitches, to the back again, yarn over, bring that around and up, yarn over and through 2. So that is a single crochet back post stitch.